Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back this small talk English conversation. So, my name is Asif Sheikh, and I usually try to make these small talk English conversation. So, before starting my conversation, could you tell me what are the problems and why you really want to be more efficient in that field? So, what the reason you really reach every time and just trying to improve like a pro day by day? So, could you tell me? So if you know the reason, so please let me know in the comment section. So otherwise I can also just trying to explain it why you really want to improve English, because English is a skill and English is a language which can opens many doors for your life, for your journey, for your success. So if you really want to improve, then you have to be more do hard work, then you can be the more efficient in that field. Why I can able to speak English? Because I do practice. Without practice you won't be able to speak, because I see many people who has so many certificates or a degree, but they not be able to speak English. What the reason? The reason is that they don't want to speak, they don't do a such kind of practice which make them different than the ordinary people. And as I talk about the job purpose, they can't be able to get the high position in that field where where they are staying, because they are not be able to speak English. As I talk about myself, and I have a friend and who is in ITO department, and he's saying that, Asif, I can't be able to speak English because without speaking English I have missed many opportunities. So I really want to improve, and I really need to learn how I can speak more efficient than the native speaker. So this is the opportunity which I have missed by the lack of English speaking practice. So how I can do it? Because we have met in an English speaking batch, but uh, at the age of retirement he is feeling very devastated, and he said, I have wasted so many times but I didn't learn English speaking practice and didn't learn how to speak English. So that's the reason you can miss many opportunities. And he mentioned also that I have a opportunity to doing the job as prime minister, but at that role the English must be clear for me, but due to a lack of confidence I have missed. So this is the way he missed many opportunities due to the reason of lack of English speaking practice. So if you really want to speak, then the reason is that you have to make a daily routine blogging or such kind of video. I'm not saying that you have to upload daily basis on YouTube. You can also make a video for your satisfaction, for your daily routine, and after then 6 hours or 5 hours, then you can rewind and watch it, and what the kind of way you are speaking more efficient than the usual day, and what are the mistakes you are doing every day. So doing like this you can be the pro, and you must be crystal clear towards your goal, because english is not a day, English is not a game of 1 day, 2 day, or a 3 day. It's a game of consistency, and it's a game of how you do practice. Without practice you won't be able to speak, because I am observing so many people who is speaking, who is not be able to speak. The reason is that they are not doing practice, and every time some people just get more motivated, and 1 day or 2 day they are speaking very well, but by the day by day when its motivation fade up, they might be not be consistent. They skip their daily routine and they are not be able to speak English. Why? So that's the reason they are not be capable in the sense of when the hard work just trying to give a effort, they don't want to give a effort. Sometimes they are facing it is difficulty, it is more difficult than me. So the reason is that I can't be able to speak English. No, if you do hard work, if you give your effort, then trust me, you can be able to speak, because it's our mindset. what we are thinking and what the kind of way we are just trying to explain it every single word. Because if we pressurize our brain to think in a better way, then the word come automatically in our mind, and we can able to think, we can able to speak. Because if we do a regular morning habit, just trying to just as I giving my example, I always try to make a small talk English conversation which is also in the morning time, and I usually try to make a video in my morning time, because in this way I can also do practice and doing exercise of my muscles, and my muscles can be able to speak, and every pronunciation I can just trying to be crystal and clear. But if I don't do practice in a regular basis, could I be more perfect, could I be speak more efficient than my usual day? If I give my single day video when I started my first day, then you can see how I am facing difficulties and what the kind of way I am doing mistake. Then you can just summarize my first video and this last one. Then you can see the bigger difference. At that time I am feeling delighted, because I am feeling delighted because I am just improving day by day, and hoping that I would be more crystal and clear as talk about the as compare of the native speaker who is speaking very well. Because the native speakers, why they are speaking very well, because they has a mother tongue. As I talk about our mother tongue is Hindi, and English is our second language, so that's why we are facing difficulties. But the native speaker also facing difficulties. They speak but they can't be able to understand the word in a daily basis, so they also learn how to speak English. But the meanwhile, what the reason, we have to maintain a what consistency, just trying to make a small habit small, but we have to be stick on it. Don't procrastinate. No, I don't have a companion, I don't have a friend who can make me a good person and help me to speak in a better way. So the person only you are, who is thinking about yourself, who is doing practice and just trying to do it, no matter what the way and what the environment you have. Just trying to consider your cell phone as a companion and just trying to talk, no matter you have companion or not. And many people are just thinking about that I should to join coaching. But the thing is that coaching also just trying to guide you, not just trying to help you to join to make you a person just like a robotic you can speak very well. The thing is that you have to give a effort. Without giving a effort, without doing a consistency, without doing a hard work, is it possible to speak English? Without pressurize your brain to think, to speak, you can't. So my first priority to say you that just trying to make a daily routine a blogging type of video. Because if we just trying to make it every single day conversation, then the word will come automatically and we can able to speak. Just you can see, I am also in my village and you can see lots of trees, lots of greenery places, you can see everywhere, where I'm just trying to make my video. And some birds are chirping. You can also hearing some birds sound, which is crow. Crow is chirping. Crow, crow. So you can listen and you can hear everything. But the thing is that you have to just do practice. And you can also see there is a small boat which is floating on the water, and the water contains some algae plants, and there are the packets of soil. And you can see here are some bamboo trees. Do you know bamboo is also used to make a mud house, used to make roof of the mud house. And it is also used in many types of things. Just a wall of the wooden wall, as the bamboo also help us to stick as a pillar. So many kinds of things bamboo used. So just trying to pick a small type of thing and just trying to talk about that. If you do in this way, then trust me, sooner or later you will be the pro. You will be speak better. And there are lots of dogs who are barking that place, and I also stay away from, because I really getting fear, because if dog bark then we we got many disease, so we have to stay away from it. So goodbye, it was my small talk video, and I have to meet you in my next English video conversation, which should be also in a good or attractive way. So don't worry about it, I'll meet you in my next video. And I'm just trying to improve my day by day. If I am making any mistake, so please try to rectify me. So in this way I can also implement my bit by bit conversation, how to speak in a better way, and just trying to mention that what are the problems are you facing, and what are kind of ways I can make a important topic videos. So goodbye, take care, I'll meet you in my next English conversation in a small talk. So goodbye, take care.